Hello, and welcome back to our channel. It is a profound joy to have you join me today as we embark on another exploration into the utterly remarkable world of the animal kingdom. Our planet is teeming with life, and with each new discovery, we uncover behaviors and abilities that challenge our very understanding of what it means to be alive. The natural world is a source of endless wonder, and I find it thrilling that so many of you share this passion for learning about the creatures with whom we share our home. Today we're delving into some of the most fascinating and indeed most talked about facts that have been captivating audiences across the globe. These aren't just trivial tidbits. They are windows into the complex and often surprising lives of animals, revealing intelligence, emotion, and biological marvels that can seem almost like science fiction. They are stories of survival, connection, and the sheer ingenuity of evolution, and they remind us just how much we still have to learn. As we journey through these 7 mind-blowing truths, I invite you to consider which one resonates with you the most. Which discovery sparks your curiosity or touches your heart? Please, do share your thoughts in the comments below. I am always so fascinated to hear which of nature's wonders has captured your imagination. Now, let us begin our journey. Our first marvel takes us beneath the waves, into the mysterious realm of the octopus. This creature, with its alien-like appearance and remarkable intelligence, holds a profound secret within its soft, boneless body. It is not equipped with one heart as we are, but with 3. This extraordinary anatomical arrangement is a masterclass in evolutionary design, perfectly tailored to its unique physiology and aquatic existence. It is a testament to the diverse and often bewildering solutions that life finds to thrive in different environments. 2 of these hearts work exclusively to pump blood through the creature's gills, the delicate, feathery organs that extract life-giving oxygen from the water. The third, larger heart, is tasked with a different, yet equally vital, role circulating that oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Curiously, this systemic heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. It seems that the very act of propulsion is so strenuous that it is more efficient for the heart to pause, which is perhaps why these intelligent beings so often prefer to gracefully crawl along the seabed rather than swim. From the depths of the ocean, we now travel to the rolling green pastures of the land, to a creature we may think we know well, the cow. But beneath their placid exterior lies a rich and complex social world that we are only just beginning to truly appreciate. Scientific studies have revealed a remarkable truth. Cows form deep, meaningful friendships. They select specific individuals within the herd to be their best friends, preferring to spend most of their time grazing and resting alongside these chosen companions. This emotional intelligence is so profound that when these friends are separated, even for a short time, they exhibit clear physiological signs of stress. Their heart rates increase, and their cortisol levels rise, much like humans experiencing anxiety. This discovery challenges us to look at these gentle giants not as mere livestock, but as sentient beings with the capacity for strong emotional attachments and social bonds. It is a poignant reminder that the need for companionship is a powerful driving force shared across many species, including our own. We return once more to the vast blue expanse of the ocean, home to another of the world's great intellects, the dolphin. Their societies are intricate, their communication sophisticated, and their playfulness a joy to behold. For years, we have known that they communicate using a complex array of clicks and whistles, but recent discoveries have unveiled a layer of complexity that is truly astonishing. It appears that dolphins have names. Each individual develops a unique signature whistle within the first few months of its life. This whistle is not an inherited call, but a self-created identifier, a name that it will use for the rest of its life. What is more, other dolphins in the pod will learn and mimic this signature whistle to call out to that specific individual, effectively saying their name to get their attention. This is a level of abstract communication previously thought to be exclusive to humans. It speaks to a profound sense of self-awareness and individual identity within their complex social structures, a truly mind-boggling revelation from the world beneath the waves. For our next wonder, we must shrink our focus from the immense scale of the ocean to the miniature world of the honeybee. These tiny, industrious insects are pillars of our ecosystem, but their cognitive abilities are far greater than their size would suggest. We often dismiss insects as simple, instinct-driven creatures, but the honeybee shatters this preconception. Incredibly, they possess the ability to recognize and remember individual human faces. Through careful experiments, scientists have shown that bees can be trained to associate a particular human face with a sweet, sugary reward. They process facial features holistically, piecing together the eyes, nose, and mouth into a recognizable pattern, much like we do. They can then reliably pick that same face out from a selection of others, even days later. This remarkable feat of memory and pattern recognition from such a tiny brain challenges our entire understanding of insect intelligence and perception, revealing a hidden world of cognitive complexity in our very own gardens. We now turn to one of the planet's most majestic and emotionally resonant creatures, the elephant. Their immense size is matched only by the depth of their intelligence and the strength of their familial bonds. These bonds, honestly, extend beyond life into the realm of death, where elephants display behaviors that are, well, hauntingly familiar. They have been observed mourning their dead, engaging in rituals that suggest a profound understanding of loss. When an elephant encounters the remains of another, even a stranger to their herd, they will often fall silent. They will gently touch the bones with their trunks and feet, sometimes for hours on end, in a quiet, contemplative manner. Herds have been seen to revisit the site where a loved one has died for years afterwards, standing in silent vigil. This is not mere curiosity. It is a display of what can only be described as grief, an emotional depth that really forces us to reconsider the boundaries between human and animal consciousness. It is a powerful, moving testament to the deep emotional lives of these gentle giants. Our journey now leads us to the freshwater lakes near Mexico City, the only place in the world where one of nature's most peculiar and miraculous creatures is found, the axolotl. This unusual salamander, with its feathery external gills and a face that seems to be perpetually smiling, holds an almost magical power. It possesses regenerative abilities that are virtually unparalleled in the vertebrate world. If an axolotl loses a limb, it does not simply heal, it regrows it perfectly. But its abilities extend far beyond just limbs. An axolotl can regenerate its jaw, its spine, and even portions of its brain and heart without any scarring. It is this incredible capacity for perfect regeneration that has made the axolotl a subject of intense scientific study. Researchers are captivated by its biological secrets, hoping to unlock the mechanisms that allow for such flawless reconstruction. The hope is that by understanding the axolotl's genetic blueprint, we might one day be able to apply those principles to human medicine, revolutionizing the treatment of injuries and diseases. For our final and perhaps most mind-bending fact, we plunge back into the ocean to meet a creature that has seemingly conquered death itself. It is a tiny jellyfish, known to science as Turritopsis dohrnii. This unassuming creature possesses a life cycle so extraordinary that it has earned the nickname the immortal jellyfish. It has the unique ability to, when faced with environmental stress, old age, or sickness, cheat death by reverting completely to its earliest stage of life. Instead of dying, the adult jellyfish's cells transform, and its body settles on the seafloor to become a polyp colony, the same juvenile form from which it once grew. From this polyp, new, genetically identical jellyfish will eventually bud off, and the life cycle begins anew. This process of transdifferentiation, where one type of cell can become another, means that, barring predation or disease it cannot overcome, the Turritopsis dohrnii is biologically immortal. It is a living, breathing paradox, a creature that holds within its delicate form the secret to turning back the biological clock. And so, our journey for today comes to a close. From the three-hearted octopus to the immortal jellyfish, we have glimpsed just a fraction of the breathtaking complexity that thrives all around us. The animal kingdom is a world of profound emotion, startling intelligence, and biological marvels that continually push the boundaries of our imagination. Each fact is more than just a piece of trivia. It is a story, a lesson in adaptation, and a reminder of the intricate web of life to which we all belong. Thank you so very much for joining me on this exploration. Your curiosity and passion for the natural world are what make creating these journeys so incredibly rewarding. If you found yourself as captivated by these stories as I am, please consider subscribing to the channel. We have so many more wonders to uncover together, and I would be delighted to have you with us for the next adventure into the unknown. Finally, the greatest joy of discovery is sharing it with others. If one of these facts sparked a sense of wonder in you, I encourage you to share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone you know who has a love for animals. Spreading this knowledge and appreciation is the best way we can collectively celebrate the magnificent planet we call home. Until next time, stay curious.